Righto guys, let's take a look at this problem. So this problem's been all over Facebook pretty much. I saw one of the posts that had over like 50,000 comments on it, but it's a controversial question and not a lot of people actually get the correct answer, okay? So I want you to have a go at this, so feel free to pause the video and have a go at this and let me know what you get in the comments. Alrighty, so if you got 42, unfortunately that's not correct. Mainly because you've got to look for something deep in this question pretty much. Notice they have two hooves and two boots. However, in the final equation they have a single hoof and a single boot, which are different to the two boots here and are different to the two hooves in pretty much every other equation, okay? So if you got 42, unfortunately that is not correct, okay? So this is how you solve this particular problem, right? So first of all, we want to isolate a single boot and a single hoof. Luckily I've done that in the photo behind these guys here. So for the first equation, we can pretty much get the idea that one horse is pretty much equal to 10. So what we can do is just copy this photo here. So let's just go down here and go one horse is equal to 10, okay? Because you would have three horses, so three horses equals 30, divide by 3 gives you 10, so that gives you 10. Now if you substitute the 10 into this equation up here, you get 10 plus, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 hooves. So we'll call x, well actually we'll label this x and we'll label this y, okay? So what we get is pretty much 10 plus 4 x is equal to 18, okay? So what we can do is subtract 10 off both sides, so we get 4x is equal to 8, and we can divide both sides by 4, okay? So this gives you x is equal to 2. So that is the value for one of the hooves. It's equal to 2, okay? So they're equal to 2, and we have a horse equal to 10. So I'll just move this guy up here. So all we need to do is work out what is one of the boots pretty much, okay? So we have two hooves, so it's going to be 2 times by 2 minus 2y, because you have two boots here and y is a single boot, so 2y equals 2. So what we get is 4 minus 2y is equal to 2. So you move the 4 across, so you have negative 2y, and then you have 2 minus 4, which equals negative 2. Then you divide by negative 2. So you get y is equal to 1. So one boot is equal to 1, okay? So in our final equation now, we can work out what this is actually going to be. So let's get rid of all this. You can then chuck this guy here. You can then chuck this guy here. And you can chuck this guy here, okay? So what we get is 1 plus 10 times by 2. Okay, so this gives you 20, so you have 1 plus 20, so the correct answer is 21, okay? It's very surprising. I got trolled the first time. I got 42 as well, I will admit. I didn't actually see the boot one on my second attempt either. I saw the double hooves, then I got like 52 or something. I know I was completely wrong, and I was like, hold on, I didn't even notice that one there as well, okay? But that's how you answer pretty much this question. If you have anything in the comments, leave something down. I'll try my best to answer it, okay? But I'll see you in the next video.